guys, good afternoon. Today, magluluto tayo ng pork-loin menudo. Menudo, my friend. Okay, now since our wok is hot, we're going to add oil, vegetable oil or any oil. And then guys, we are going to saute our spices. Garlic. Always add first the garlic. Wait until it is lightly brown. We'll add our red onion. So we will wait until our red onions become translucent. That's the time we are going to add our other spices, okay? Now we are going to add our tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, we are going to add the half roast chicken. Ihalo-halo lang. Ihalo-halo lang. So, now it is alright to put our pork-loin menudo. So, ito yung pork-loin natin guys na I chopped in a cube. I marinated it guys this morning. So, this is our pork-loin. Ihalo-halo lang natin mabuti guys. For a few minutes bago natin takpan at i-simmer ng konti. Takpan natin guys at hinaan ang apoy into medium-low heat, okay? So ito na guys, kumukulo-kulo na ang ating lagyan ko ng tomato paste guys, around mga 1 tablespoon siguro. Since you've been gone. Okay. So, ito na guys. Na-simmer na natin ang ating pork-loin ng kunting minutos. So, ilagay na natin guys ang ating vegetables. So, ito yung bisol guys or lotsa. Ihalo-halo muna. Halo-haloin. Next, ilagay natin ang ating potatoes. I chop it like in cubes. So then maglagay tayo guys ng ating carrots. Kita ninyo guys, yun, masaya no? Masaya talaga ang pagluluto ng maraming gulay. So, ihalo-halo ko muna siya guys bago ko maglagay ng kunting hot water para magisa ko muna yung mga veggies. At this point also guys, I am going to add our oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon will do. Then we will add our soy sauce. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. Tikman natin mamaya guys after natin maglagay ng hot water. So i-ano natin muna, i-mix. Halo-haloin ng mabuti. So now we are going to add a little bit of hot water. So I have added one cup and a half of hot water, enough to simmer. So enough to simmer our veggies. Mag-add pa tayo ng pineapple later. Masarap talaga guys pag may pineapple. So pag gumawa kayo ng inyong recipe guys, it's alright. You can put in whatever you would like to. So since isimmer natin ito, takpan ko muna nito. Okay? At hinaan ang apoy. So now guys, I am going to add now our pineapple tidbits. I'm going to add also our green peas. I also add our mushrooms. And our red bell pepper. The last one is the red bell pepper guys, okay? Mag-a-add tayo ng konting water guys if it is needed, okay? If it's not, so be it. Wag na. Tikman natin kung okay na ba. So, tikman natin guys ha kung okay na ba ang ating sabaw. Mag-sprinkle tayo ng konting seasoning. Sprinkle of salt. So, manamis-namis siya guys kasi may pineapple. A little bit of soy sauce. To balance tea. So, okay. Kinaan natin ang ating apoy at isimmer na ilang minuto hanggat mag-tender ang ating vegetables. Yung pork natin guys is tender na yan kasi pork loin yan. I think that will do. Maybe. Dagdagan na natin kung konti asin later. Takpan natin. Yun na yun. Pardon?
I started on that new airport out at Badger's Creek already. Already putting in a bridge out there at the moment. It's 39 metres wide, 50 metres long, 21 steel beams, 45 tons each. And they actually built a monster bloody crane which weighs 5.
So this is it, guys. So, ito na. Naglagay na ako, guys, ng corn flour or cornstarch para a little bit thickening our mixtures. So this is our menudo for tonight. Pork loin menudo with vegetables, okay? I hope you learned something from my cooking and pork loin menudo with vegetables, okay? Enjoyin nyo na lang, guys. Tingnan nyo, masarap siya, guys. Yummy! Watching to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a great time, and bye!